大约，大约，大约。
About.
About.
这里的东西大约比超市贵3倍。这里的东西大约比超市贵3倍。这里的东西大约比超市贵3倍。
Things here are about 3 times more expensive than in supermarkets.
Things here are about 3 times more expensive than in supermarkets.
从这里步行到银行大约需要10分钟。从这里步行到银行大约需要10分钟。从这里步行到银行大约需要10分钟。
It takes about 10 minutes to walk to the bank from here.
It takes about 10 minutes to walk to the bank from here.
从这里到机场大约10公里。从这里到机场大约10公里。从这里到机场大约10公里。
It's about 10 kilometers from here to the airport.
It's about 10 kilometers from here to the airport.
餐厅，餐厅，餐厅。
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
在距离我家大约2公里有一家餐厅，那里的食物很好吃。在距离我家大约2公里有一家餐厅，那里的食物很好吃。在距离我家大约2公里有一家餐厅，那里的食物很好吃。
There is a restaurant about 2 kilometers from my home, and the food there is delicious.
There is a restaurant about 2 kilometers from my home, and the food there is delicious.
这家餐厅的食物又好吃又便宜。这家餐厅的食物又好吃又便宜。这家餐厅的食物又好吃又便宜。
The food in this restaurant is delicious and cheap.
The food in this restaurant is delicious and cheap.
今晚我们就去这家餐厅吃晚餐吧。今晚我们就去这家餐厅吃晚餐吧。今晚我们就去这家餐厅吃晚餐吧。
Let's go to this restaurant for dinner tonight.
Let's go to this restaurant for dinner tonight.
纸袋，纸袋，纸袋。
Paper bag.
Paper bag.
他用纸袋包装食物。他用纸袋包装食物。他用纸袋包装食物。
He packs food in paper bags.
He packs food in paper bags.
袋子，袋子，袋子。
Bag. Sack. Pocket.
Bag. Sack. Pocket.
这个袋子破了。这个袋子破了。这个袋子破了。
This bag is torn.
This bag is torn.
现在超市不提供塑料袋，顾客必须自备购物袋。现在超市不提供塑料袋，顾客必须自备购物袋。现在超市不提供塑料袋，顾客必须自备购物袋。
Nowadays, supermarkets do not provide plastic bags, and customers must bring their own shopping bags.
Nowadays, supermarkets do not provide plastic bags, and customers must bring their own shopping bags.
多用环保袋，少用塑料袋。多用环保袋，少用塑料袋。多用环保袋，少用塑料袋。
Use more reusable bags and less plastic bags.
Use more reusable bags and less plastic bags.
互联网，互联网， 互联网。
Internet.
Internet.
互联网是全球信息交流平台。互联网是全球信息交流平台。互联网是全球信息交流平台。
The Internet is a global information exchange platform.
The Internet is a global information exchange platform.
人们可以在互联网上浏览新闻，发布信息。人们可以在互联网上浏览新闻，发布信息。人们可以在互联网上浏览新闻，发布信息。
People can browse news on the Internet and publish information.
People can browse news on the Internet and publish information.
在互联网上，我们可以创建社区并建立联系。在互联网上，我们可以创建社区并建立联系。在互联网上，我们可以创建社区并建立联系。
On the Internet, we can create communities and make connections.
On the Internet, we can create communities and make connections.
进行，进行，进行。
Conduct.
Conduct.
互联网的发展使人们可以在世界各地进行即时通讯、信息共享等。互联网的发展使人们可以在世界各地进行即时通讯、信息共享等。互联网的发展使人们可以在世界各地进行即时通讯、信息共享等。
The development of the Internet allows people to communicate instantly and share information all over the world.
The development of the Internet allows people to communicate instantly and share information all over the world.
互联网使人们能够在全球范围内进行网上交易活动。互联网使人们能够在全球范围内进行网上交易活动。互联网使人们能够在全球范围内进行网上交易活动。
The Internet enables people to conduct online trading activities on a global scale.
The Internet enables people to conduct online trading activities on a global scale.
我们可以通过互联网平台进行各种商业活动。我们可以通过互联网平台进行各种商业活动。我们可以通过互联网平台进行各种商业活动。
We can conduct various commercial activities through the Internet platform.
We can conduct various commercial activities through the Internet platform.
错误，错误，错误。
Wrong. Error. Mistake.
Wrong. Error. Mistake.
你那样做是错误的。你那样做是错误的。你那样做是错误的。
What you did was wrong.
What you did was wrong.
这些句子都没有语法错误。这些句子都没有语法错误。这些句子都没有语法错误。
None of these sentences have grammatical errors.
None of these sentences have grammatical errors.
当孩子犯错时，父母应该帮助孩子纠正错误。当孩子犯错时，父母应该帮助孩子纠正错误。当孩子犯错时，父母应该帮助孩子纠正错误。
When children make mistakes, parents should help them correct their mistakes.
When children make mistakes, parents should help them correct their mistakes.
谢谢观看。